Hey guys, welcome to another featured property brought to you by Amado Romero, listing specialist with eXp Realty from Team Absolute Top Dollar. This property is located at 100 Bayview Drive in the beautiful city of Sunnydale Beach, Florida. Now this property features 2 bedrooms, 2 full bath, an upgraded kitchen and bathroom, a spacious balcony, and you're also walking distance from the beach and also just minutes away from the trendy South Beach and bar harbor shops at Aventura Mall. Now this property also features a laundry list of amenities, and to begin with, you have your own marina to dock your boat. Now let's go take a look inside. Hey guys, so welcome to the Arlen House East. So right here, this is the lobby area, which is amazing because they just did a whole bunch of renovations. One of the cool features about this place is that you have top-notch security. You have valet parking for your guests, which is phenomenal. Now, if you look around this lobby, you can see that they did all these renovations. When you walk into this place, you feel like you're walking into one of these, luxurious hotels in Las Vegas. You have brand new flooring. You have the brand new little sitting area right here. I mean, you feel like you're like in Las Vegas. I kid you not. You have the pool area right there. But now some of the cool amenities that this place has to feature, I'm going to show you right now. As we're walking over, we have what's called the reading room. Now the reading room is pretty cool because it offers you your own personal library, okay? And this is where the reading room is right here on the right side. You gotta have keys for all this stuff, okay? So if you're not an owner here, you can't get in. So this is the reading room. I'm not gonna open the door because people are actually in there reading, don't want to disturb them. Now, one of the other cool places that we like to see, all right, that's amazing for everyone to gather with their family, friends, or whatever the case. If you want to throw a big party, I'm talking about a big party, they have a ballroom right here. Okay, this ballroom offers also, a refrigerator, a place to store all your snacks and your food. Now check out this space. Could you imagine what you could do with this space? I mean, you could throw a party and you can even charge people. You could pay your first month's rent, all right? Well, anyways, this right here, you have this beautiful granite countertops. This is where you store all your drinks and stuff. You can have your own little bartender. You can throw your pool. You can have your DJ. Now, as we walk into the other room, okay, you're gonna see this is the entertainment room. Now, this entertainment room, again, if you own a piece of property here, this is all accessible to you. Remember what I told you about earlier, a laundry list of amenities? This is the amenities that I'm talking about. Look at this. Isn't this amazing right here? Look, you have a billiards room, all right? You don't even have to go and spend money at the pool hall. You have a billiards room with your pool view. You even have, for the little kids, all the big kids like myself, you have the ping pong table. You even have the 75-inch screen TV to watch all of your sporting events. You even have an area right here if you want to just chill and eat some food, we got you. Now, we're about to go and check out some more of the amenities. Just wait until you see what we have to offer. So here at the Arlen House, you even have your own pool. Okay, you also have shuffleboard, you have jacuzzi, you have a sauna room, and if you're up for it, you even have a cardio room and a fitness center where you could go lift some weights. Let's go take a look inside. Hey guys, welcome to unit 214. Wait until you see what this unit has to offer. So as you walk in, you're walking into the kitchen. Now this kitchen, let me tell you, has been fully renovated. You have the granite countertops, you have the porcelain black splash tile, you have the dark wood kitchen cabinets with the nice satin nickel hardware to match, and you also have this raised ceiling right here with this nice light fixture. Now, as we walk throughout the condo, again, this condo features 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. You have this right here, the living room area. Now, this living room area, you can put a little dining room table right here if you like. This is right here is the living room area where you can put your sofa, your TV, and you have this beautiful view of the outside. And if you really look close, you can see right through those palm trees, the ocean water. It's amazing, guys. We're walking distance from the beach. I just want to let you know that, okay? That's really important to know. Now here you have the bathroom right here, which is really nice because it's been fully renovated. You have the granite countertops, and you have the walk-in shower and the nice vanity. And you also have here the first bedroom. Now this bedroom is very spacious. You can actually, trust me when I tell you, fit a king-size bed here. You have the closet right there. And what's cool about every single room of this unit, you're going to actually have access to walk out to this very spacious balcony to enjoy that fresh ocean air. Now, as we walk through the unit, we're going to go into the master bedroom. Now, this master bedroom is really nice. Again, all the rooms in this unit, you have access to the big, spacious balcony. Wait till you see the balcony. Now, here we are, guys. This is the master bedroom. Of course, you can fit a king-size bed here. You have the walk-in closet, the his and hers. Okay, so you have two sides. You have his side and her side. You have a little area right here to put whatever you want. You got the tub and shower, and you also have the granite countertops and the his and her sink. Now, what I like about this bathroom also is that the bathroom cabinets also match the kitchen cabinets. I love that. So all I want to tell you right now is when we go outside, I want you to exactly see what I see, okay? And this balcony is so spacious, you can throw a party of, 20 people out here. Check this out. By the way, all impact windows. The sliding glass doors are fully 100% impact. I mean, there ain't no hurricanes that take your doors off, okay? So check this out. You're on this beautiful, spacious balcony. As you can see, this balcony can go on for days and miles, right? You also have the view of the ocean right there. That was the beach. I mean, Sunny Isles has such beautiful beaches. Walking distance, as I stated. Now, this condo right now is being listed at $450,000. This is a must-see. If you love the condo life, if you love all the amenities that you just saw, okay, which they come with so many amenities, more amenities that you can think of, including, of course, the basketball courts and tennis courts, which I didn't mention at the beginning. This unit is for you. So once again, guys, this unit is going for $450,000. And remember, my partner Karen Castillo and I, our goal is always getting you the best offer at absolute top dollar. Thank you and have a wonderful day.